Hello sir, I am Ramamurthy Jai Vishal. May I know your name and age please?
Siddharth 22.
Okay. Are you the patient who came for nose, mouth and neck examination?
Yes.
Okay, I am going to nose examination. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have any discomfort, let me know.
Okay.
Do you have any cold and nose surgery before?
No.
Okay. Further I am moving to pattern C. Can you close your one of nostrils? Can you breathe out? Okay. One more nostrils. Can you breathe out? Okay, thank you. The pattern C is normal. Now I am going to inspect your nose. Okay, your nose are symmetrical. I am going to touch your nose and the flashing light into your nose. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any pain?
No.
Okay, thank you. I could see nasal septum and the posterior walls, medial and lateral terminates. They are pink. Now I am going to palpate sinuses. If you feel any pain, let me know. Frontal sinuses, maxillary sinuses, okay. I am going to trans-eliminating on sinuses. Okay. Can you open your mouth? Okay. Okay. Your sinuses is normal. Thank you. Now I am going to check neck examination. If you feel any discomfort, let me know. Now I am going to inspect your neck. No laceration, no lumps, no lesions found. Your neck is symmetrical. Now I am going to palpate your neck. I can feel C1 and C2. If you feel any pain, let me know. Thyroid, cricoid, can you swallow? I can feel isthmus. Okay. Sterocricoid, mastoid muscle, trapezius muscle. Okay, now I am going to palpate pre-auricle, posterior auricle, occipital, tonsillar, submandibular, submental. Superficial cervical, posterior cervical, supraclavicular. Okay. Now neck examination is not. Now I am going to check mouth examination. If you have any discomfort, let me know. Okay. Now I am going to inspect your lip. Okay. Color is normal. Moisture is absorbed. No lesions, no deformities. Your lip is symmetrical. Now I am going to inspect your buccal mucosa. Okay. Your buccal mucosa color is normal. No pigmentation found. No ulcers, no patches, no nodules. Now I am going to inspect your gums. Can you open your mouth? Okay. Your gum color is normal. No swelling observed, no bleeding, no retractions, no discolorations, no pus in the margins. Your gum is symmetrical. Now I am going to inspect your teeth. Can you open your mouth? Okay. No one or more teeth are presence or absence. No caries, no decolorations, no fillings, no bridges and braces. Okay, now I am going to check your roof. Can you open your mouth? Okay, your palate color is normal, no deformities, no lesions and masses observed, no odor. Your palate is symmetrical. Now I am going to inspect your tongue. Open your mouth. Stick out your tongue. Okay. No abnormal movements observed. Your tongue size is normal. Your tongue size color is normal. Surface contain papillae. Moisture is observed. No lesions found. Your tongue is symmetrical. Now I am going to inspect the soft palate, uvula, tonsils, posterior pharyngeal wall. Can you open your mouth?
Say ah. Ah. Say ah. Ah. Okay.
I can observe posterior pharyngeal wall.
Open your mouth. Say ah. Ah. Again. Ah. Okay.
I can see the rise of soft palate. So cranial nerve 10 is normal. No swelling observed, no ulcerations, no tenderness observed. Okay. Now your mouth examination is done. Thank you for cooperation.